What is going on, everybody? Cash Money Crypto here, and in this video I have something special for you. We're going to cover exactly what dollar cost averaging is, why it's an important investment strategy to understand, and exactly how to implement it by the end of this video so that you can get automated crypto investments working for you. Okay, let's dive right in. So first of all, what the heck is dollar cost averaging? And as you can see, the boring dictionary definition is an investment strategy in which an investor divides up the total amount to be invested across periodic purchases of a target asset. And the reason that you're going to do this is to reduce the impact of volatility. Okay, so if you're a new crypto investor, you got to understand that Bitcoin and crypto is one of the most, if not the most volatile investment on the planet, which means that one day Bitcoin could be at $65,000 and a couple days later, you might see the same Bitcoin selling for, let's say, $40,000 like it is today, okay? And that volatility can either make you or break you. So what people do is they dollar cost average into an asset like Bitcoin to reduce the impact of volatility. Okay, so basically you could set it on a schedule of every month you're gonna set X amount of Bitcoin to be purchased on your behalf. And it doesn't matter if the price is 65,000, it doesn't matter if the price is 25,000, you're gonna have a set and scheduled increment to be purchased. And I'll show you guys how to do that right now. And the reason this is so important, again, guys, is because with such a volatile investment, what you're doing is instead of saying, hey, let's put $10,000 in at the top at 65,000, right? You don't know it's the top at that time. You drop $10,000 into Bitcoin at 65,000 and it drops to 40,000 where it is now. Okay, so your investment has gotten smashed. Well, what you could have done is put, say, $500 or $250 every month into that asset, in Bitcoin in this case, right? Until you have your entire investment that you're willing to put in, the same 10,000, let's say, all right? And in this way, you're gonna bring down your average price. Okay, so if you buy 250 at 65,000, another 250 at 60,000, another 250 at 55,000, and you continue this pattern, obviously, your average price for all the total Bitcoin that you've purchased is going to be much lower. So this is the idea. This is why this is an important investment strategy that a lot of investors use. And especially with a volatile investment like Bitcoin or Ether or other cryptos that you can watch drop 50% in a couple days, something that is unseen in traditional markets like stocks, right? All right, so you understand what it is. Now let's implement this strategy real quickly in our Coinbase account. All right, all you have to do, it's very simple. Click buy and sell, whatever amount that you want to purchase, let's say bi-weekly in this case. All you have to do is type it in. And you can purchase a set amount at $100 bi-weekly. In this case, it says weekly. This is bi-weekly, twice a month. You select your payment method, you preview the buy, and you can confirm that $100 twice a month is going to be purchased. The first purchase is going to be on the 1st, and the second purchase will be on the 15th. So today's the 18th. That means we're going to have to wait until the 1st for this first purchase of $100. Okay? Now you do have to keep in mind, guys, these fees, if you're going to do this for any amount of time, let's say 5 years, these fees will add up. It does sound insignificant, $2.99, but you can play with a compound calculator and see how much over the course of just 5 years, how impactful these fees can be. So don't negate the fees. This is something to think about, especially if this is a long-term investment for you. So be careful with fees, guys. They can kill your portfolio long-term. I mean, if we're talking about just 1% over 30 years, that's 30% of your portfolio, okay? So you got to be very careful with fees, guys. Now, all you have to do is click buy now. And what's going to happen, it's going to set and schedule these payments, these purchases of Bitcoin in this case. And as you can see, the first purchase at the current rate was about 0.002 Bitcoin. Okay, and you can see successfully purchased. and you can view the transaction here. I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I want to save you guys time, but I really do appreciate you watching this video till the very end. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. I would love to help you figure out, your next move in the crypto space. All right. I got you guys. Leave those comments down below and shoot me a like. I appreciate y'all. See you on the next one.